It's
There it
the
is.
Hasegawa Lancia Stratos Stradale.
Yep. And
And
these
it
are
comes
limited
with
edition kits.
Limited edition kit. Comes with a figure,
Yep.
a resin figure, doesn't it?
Yep, really nice
And we've
figure.
been working on it, and you can see it. And the body is far from finished.
Yep.
But you know we're going to get there. It's only had what 43 coats, 43 more.
Yeah, that's right.
Concourse.
That's it.
What about your fine
mirror finish?
What about your fine brushwork? Have a look at the cockpit.
What do you mean? You've done most of that.
I have. Yeah, I won't. Yeah.
What are we doing? We're going to look from the top.
Yeah, let's go to overhead
Oh,
town.
really? It's going to look really small.
Is it? Well, we can.
Look at that.
We can zoom.
You want to do zoom?
Why not? Get right in there. Get tight like a tiger.
There you go.
You can't max out because it goes a bit fuzzy wuzzy.
Yeah. So that's where we are so far. That's out of focus?
And I think Tony P, of all people, will really appreciate this. No. This is not something that we're going to put in Model Expo, I don't think. This is something that we're putting on, we're building on camera. And we're having fun doing it.
Yeah.
We're actually showing how easy, I suppose, it is to build a kit, aren't we?
Yeah, that's right. So
Not to
the
be
idea is we're doing this without an airbrush.
Yep.
Okay, so it's all been done with can and with brushes.
Yep.
So you can see it's a little bit patchy and stuff, but
just acrylic paints.
That's right.
We'll be touched up as we go.
That's right. So we're still going to do some washes and stuff.
Yep.
Give it a bit more
textures
and
depth.
Yep.
And that's where the wizardry comes into it, really.
That's right.
There's really those steps and processes.
So we're concentrating on actually enjoying the build.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And spending time together.
That's right.
That's great. All right.
Because we don't spend enough time together, do we?
No, right. I think that's enough. All right. But anyway, that got us talking about Model Expo.
That's right.